students of Standard 8, in Geography, you are learning about population. This is revision for you. Today, you are going to learn Chapter 2, Population Part 3. Today, you are going to learn about the density of population. What do you mean by the density of population? Density of population is the number of people per unit area of land. In 1 square kilometer area, how many people live? That is the density of people of that area. Nowadays, the density of population of the world is about 50 people. And this, if the distribution of population in the world will be evenly distributed, about 50 people will live in one particular square kilometer area. So that indicates the density of population. Density of population varies widely within continents. In some continents, there is very high density of population. In some, there is very low density of population. So, because of variation is because of the facilities. High density of population is found in the large cities where there is well-developed cities. Coastal areas where there are high density of population because of the large harbors or commercial centers. River basins, those have large river basins and cities are located along with. So, these are the areas where high density of population is found. And less density is found in the desert, forested areas and mountainous areas. So, density of population changes everywhere. There are smallest countries like Vatican City, Andorra and Singapore, but there is very high density of population. There are large continents or some countries which have large population and also there is high density of population like Bangladesh, Pakistan, South Korea or our country India. So like this population density varies from place to place within countries, continents and within areas. There is change in population size. If you see, we know or come to know due to the census every 10 years. So, what is census? An official counting of population. And that tells how many people have grown or the population is increasing or decreasing. At present, human population on the earth is more than 7.5 billion. And this changes in the size of population depend on the birth rate and death rate. What do you mean by birth rate? Birth rate is the number of births per thousand people in a year. And what is death rate? Death rate is the number of deaths per thousand people in a year. So, when birth rate increases, the density of population also increases. When death rate increases, there is less density of population. When there is difference between the birth rate and death rate, it is known as the natural increase of an area or of a country. So, population in a region changes always due to migration. People migrate from one region to other region in a country or from a country to outward. So, immigration changes the density of population, changes the size of population. Nowadays, if we see in the whole world, some continents' population is still growing and increasing higher and higher, and they are Asia, South America, Australia, but and also Africa. But North America and European countries, their population is not increasing day by day. So this is about the density of population and the size of population. Do learn and remember.